welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I refresh my hair for days 3, 4, and 5. So in today's video, I'm just basically starting with my day 3 hair. It's been up in a bun while I get ready for the day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair down and I'm gonna show you what my day 3 hair looks like. So, it doesn't look, too lifeless. It just needs to be brought back to life just a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna go ahead and grab my water bottle. So when I'm wetting my hair for a refresh, I don't like to completely wet my hair 100%. I do just like to leave it a little bit damp. So that's what I'm doing here. Next, I grab my wide tooth comb to start detangling my hair. Okay, curlies, so let's get started with refreshing. Today I'll be refreshing with the Rizo's Curls Curl Defining Cream. I love this curl defining cream. I'm so happy I came across this cream at BeautyCon. Like, it's amazing, literally. So what I do when I'm refreshing my hair, I only use a little bit of product, like the dime size amount. Yes, I'm going back to when, they say to use a dime-sized amount because I've noticed that my hair performs a lot better with less product in it. And honestly, I think that's because my hair is fine. So what I do is I just rake the product through, I scrunch it through my curls, and I'm just making sure that I'm getting the product on every single curl. So next, I just grab my Denman brush, and this part is very critical to my refreshing routine. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing a small section of the hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush it through with the Denman brush. This helps me get way more defined curls. So what I do here is I just brush it through, I shake it a little bit to activate the curls, and then I just scrunch and scrunch and scrunch, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my hair so that I can get these really defined curls just like these curls here. And this is just something that I've been doing, this past week, and I just wanted to switch it up because I've noticed that my hair likes less product and I really like the more defined look. So that's just what I'm going for here. So this is what my new refresh routine is. And you guys can see here, now that I finished my first section, how defined my curls are. They look so much better with less product, and without so much water weighing my hair down with the product. So I really love this look. I love how defined the curls are, and so I'm going to go ahead and just finish up and start with the next section of my hair. So next, what I'm doing here in my last section is I'm just taking a comb and parting my hair in the way that I would like for it to fall and dry. So I'm just giving myself a nice side part, and then I'm going to go ahead and continue finishing up with refreshing my curls. Last but not least, I'm going to take my Ultra Defining Gel by Diva Curl, and I'm just going to go ahead and give myself another dime-sized amount of the gel. And what I'd like to do with my gel is I just like to coat it softly on the outsides and scrunch the gel into my curl, just to give me a nice soft hold throughout the day. Okay guys, so here are my complete and final results after refreshing my hair with Rizo's curls. I love these results, you guys. Like, I really love how defined my curls are and how they're not soaking wet, so it won't take me hours to dry my hair, especially because, you know, I live in the desert, y'all, and I would just much rather air dry my hair than having to sit in front of a blow dryer in this heat blow drying my hair. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you all love these results and get a chance to try my hair refreshing method. So don't forget to like, comment below any questions or any other videos you guys would like to see, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.